Hello, my name is Cordell Radke, and welcome to my Health Applications Competitive Analysis and Research assignment for my Web Design Development course. I will be discussing and reviewing some of the most popular health applications currently on the market. I will also be discussing some of the strengths and weaknesses of the apps and the overall design of the applications. So the first app I want to talk about is called S-Health, and starting with the color scheme. The app contains some soft and light colors of greens, oranges, and blues with a solid white background. I noticed this app has some small touch points, which is overrun by the amount of widgets you can use on the main screen. The app displays some nice diagrams full of user data, which is very helpful since this app should be focused more on getting the information or data out to the user rather than from the user. The icons Our typography are a little small for my personal taste, but are displayed and aligned appropriately. The scrolling and overall flow looks good, and while there is still some loss of information on one screen or off-screen data, overall, I believe this app will be on my top competitor list as it functions very smoothly and is designed very well. So Google Fit is the next app I will be looking at. At first glance, it has some bright colors with small icons, but large images. I did notice some overlay touch points occurring, if you can see with the plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner. The data is not obviously categorized, which makes it challenging for users to predict the touch points. A hamburger menu is displayed, which is a poor use of efficiency and predictability, along with a more options button, which are the three dots icon at the top right hand corner, and then there's another one displayed on the middle right portion of the screen. The next app I want to look at is called the Pedometer and Weight Loss Coach. This app lacks in color and is filled with detailed oriented diagrams. Small text is used, but the text alignment and typography are appropriately placed in the application. There looks like to be a drop-down menu for dates and more options icon, along with the plus and message icons, which should be obvious for the user. This app has clearly marked categories to choose from for easy navigation, and overall the clean design makes up for its lack of features. So one of the more popular applications, Fitbit. As far as I can tell right now, Fitbit uses soft colors of blues, greens, and oranges, similar to the S-Health app, along with a solid white background. The app includes bottom navigation icons, which I gave a star because it's a fundamental and crucial design solution for app navigation nowadays. This allows the user to quickly navigate to their objectives without having to go through extra touch points. The app includes large diagrams and progressive arrows to flow through the days of the week easily. This app was also designed for various platforms, so users can quickly access the app from any location with any device, which gives it the home stretch over the other popular health applications on the market. So Pedometer, this app is one of the more simple health apps. The colors are shown as gradients along with bright and darker colors. Some of the text may not contrast as well, and this app will display all your information on one screen for quick glances, but kind of takes away white space and leaves users with limited features. There are large amounts of data and diagrams. There is progressive arrow flow for the dates and one start button for users to easily interact with. The top navigation cycles through days, week, and months, which is also a pretty nice feature to have. So after the research, I found a lot of the strengths to be the use of soft colors that are not too distracting from the objectives. The use of bottom navigation for Fitbit is a big plus for easy navigation. Large diagrams are used for all the apps to display all the necessary information users would want out of a health tracking app, along with the images and icons that bring feedback to the users. The weaknesses I found were the use of hamburger menus. They're often frowned upon in design because of the less efficient way and predictability for users who may not be on mobile devices as much. And then the small typography is always a weakness because it's hard to read, especially when taking quick glances, and is also a big waste of space. Few icons is a leading factor for poor design because, well, frankly, people love icons. Icons should be easily learned and understood, in which they provide reliable feedback and predictability for users when navigating through applications. So those were some of my takeaways from my research. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.